Welcome back to the TechCV tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about how to load a pipe delimited file to a table using wildcard and variables. Right, so let me show you the file first. I have two fields, employee ID and employee name. Right, their values are 1 Rishabh, 2 Manav. Both are separated by pipe. Right, so here first I'll use get file names. Right, so instead of the hard code path value, I have set here as variable. Now how to declare a variable? First you need to define this variable in cattle.properties, right, along with the value. So let me go back to the cattle.properties file. So if you see here, I have mentioned the folder path variable and its value, right? So if you see here, file is present in C drive ETL jobs file, right? So I have given this path. If you see here clearly, I have mentioned double slashes. Otherwise, if you give single slash, it will not work, right? You have to save this file, close the spoon and open the spoon so that you can see those changes which you have done in cattle.properties. Now, in get file names, how to declare a variable? So in get file names, in file slash directory, you can define a variable also, right? So here, if you define a variable like dollar curly braces variable name curly braces close, right? So actually the variable name is folder path, right? So this is the variable. Now another way is you just remove this, give control space, folder path, right? Give enter. So this is the variable which we have defined in cattle.properties, right? And its value is C ETL jobs files, right? It is coming here as well. So if you don't remember, control space dollar, again I'm explaining folder path, right? And in wildcard I have mentioned give me the name of the files which are starting with pipe and having extension txt. So click on show file names, right? You got that file name. Click on preview rows, right? So if you see, the file name variable has path along with file name, right? So I will use the file name variable which will give me path along with file name. Now text file input. Here I have checked the box accept file names from previous step, right? You mention the step get file names, right, from the drop down here. And which variable I need to use? File name. I'll go to content. Separator is pipe. I have a header in the file, right? So you need to check this header also. And in fields, I have mentioned employee ID and employee name, integer and string. And the final is, as I need to load this file into a table, I have created a SQL Server connection. So how to create a SQL Server connection, right? What are the settings which we need to make in SQL Server configuration manager? All these I have explained in my previous video. And the most important thing is you need to download SQL Server drivers and place in library folder. Once you do that and connection is created successfully, in the drop down you will see the connection, right? Give the schema, give the table name, click on specify database fields, right? So that you can map the fields which are present in table and the fields which are coming from the stream. Click OK, right? Save this. Go to the database, run select star from, right? As you can see, it has some record. Let me truncate this table. Go back, run this code, right? So it is executed successfully. Check in the table again, right? So you have the data. So here the learning is you need to define a variable in cattle.properties, how to declare a variable in the code, which will be like dollar curly braces variable name curly braces close. And what is the other way around is give control space. You will see all the variables which are internal to Pentaho and the one which you have mentioned in cattle.properties, right? So thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.